flew away.
Oh,
I think we should have a BB gun contest in the backyard anyway. There you go.
I'll move my car.
Probably saw me getting too close.
I'll move my car.
You need to find some shit to shoot them.
Oh, I could kill that bird from here. One shot. I killed that bird from here one shot.
I just took a shit.
I mean, that's not the question.
Yeah, but
Get off my
whatever.
car.
Birds,
Get
birds
off.
you can't really like that. It's like birds are good for the environment.
Not this one.
Groundhogs, on the other hand, groundhogs do no good. Just take them out, it doesn't matter. They're good to swallow, is that what you said?
No, this fall.
Oh, I was gonna say it. Have you eaten groundhogs before? No, because it's a gross, I don't know. Like, what do they eat
How are
to
they
make
gross?
them?
They just eat vegetation.
Yeah, that's how I think they might be, right? Like, you can eat a beaver or a fucking squirrel.
Some people eat squirrels.
You can eat a beaver or something.
You can eat cat too, Dan.
Everybody-
You know you can eat skunk? You know what? Skunk is delicious.